Foss Floors self-stick carpet planks are an easy-to-install option for finishing floors in almost any room in your home or business. To complete this project, you will need a tape measure, a utility or carpet knife, a chalk line, T-square or straight edge, a hard cutting surface, some carpet planks, and some time. For added safety, you should also have safety glasses, extra blades, a waste bin, and a pair of cut-resistant gloves. Let's take a look at how easy it is. The first thing we need to do is to prep the room. This includes moving the furniture out of the room and cleaning the surface you will be working on. The surface you are working on should be clean, dry, and free from dust and debris. To achieve the best results, air temperature should be above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. To make install easier, you can use furniture sliders to move your furniture around while working. There are a lot of really great patterns you can make using Foss Floors carpet planks. Try laying them out before you start sticking them to the floor and see what you can come up with. For the best results, mark a center line to divide the room and work outward from there. When applying the first couple planks, you want to align the edge with the center line you snapped. It is a good idea to offset the second row of planks from the previous one by about 1/3 the length of the tile next to it. As you start moving outward from the center, the room will start to take shape. One way to spice up the design is to add colored accent planks into your design. When you get close to the edge of the room, you will undoubtedly need to cut some planks to fit. To get the right cut, turn the plank upside down and lay it against the wall. Where it overlaps the adjacent plank, make a mark and cut it using the utility knife, a straight edge, and make sure you do it on the cutting surface so you don't damage the planks beneath. After cutting the plank, flip it back over and align the factory cut edge to meet the factory cut edge of the neighboring plank and the edge you just cut lines up against the wall. After you finish cutting and laying the planks along the edge of the room, it is time to move the furniture back in. Foss Floors carpet planks can be used in bedrooms, dorm rooms, offices, doctor offices, man caves, she sheds, garages, and basements. With Foss Floors carpet planks, there are endless possibilities and scenarios where you could use them. Be creative and share your creations with us on Facebook or tag us on Instagram.